Reducing shipping time from 4 to 7 days to 1 to 3 days can significantly improve customer satisfaction because long delivery times often make customers impatient and hesitant to order. So how can you effectively reduce shipping time for your dropshipping products? First, communicate directly with your supplier. Let them know that you want to shorten delivery times or speed up the fulfillment process. Often, suppliers can adjust processing times if they understand the importance of faster delivery for your business. Second, use product filters to select items that ship within 1 to 3 days. By filtering your product search to only include fast shipping items, you can ensure that your customers receive their orders more quickly. Some platforms also allow filtering for 4 to 7 day shipping depending on your customer base, but prioritizing the shortest possible delivery time is always better. By selecting view research or similar options, you can see all products that ship within 1 to 3 days, allowing your customers to access these items faster. This approach makes your dropshipping operation smoother and improves the overall customer experience. Implementing these steps ensures that your store offers fast, reliable delivery, which is a key factor in customer satisfaction and repeat sales. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.